Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to reset a Toyota Prius maintenance light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate your odometer display and cycle through the options until it shows either ODO or Trip A. This is a crucial first step to ensure the reset process works correctly. Make sure you're not on Trip B or any other setting. Now, with the odometer set correctly, turn your ignition completely off. This prepares the system for the reset sequence. Once the ignition is off, press and hold the Trip Reset button. Keep this button firmly pressed down as you move to the next step. Do not release it until instructed, as timing is important for a successful reset. While still holding the Trip Reset button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Again, do not start the engine. You should see a series of dashes or zeros appear on the odometer display. This indicates that the reset process has begun. Continue to hold the button firmly and observe the display for changes. Keep holding the Trip Reset button until the dashes or zeros on the odometer display are replaced by all zeros. This signifies that the maintenance light has been successfully reset. Once you see the zeros, you can release the button. Finally, turn your ignition off and then back on to verify that the maintenance light is no longer illuminated. You've successfully completed the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.